me, Critica, here on Critica Says, where Critica says it all and that's how I feel. So I have cut down my fox locks that I had. I cut them down. And I'm going to show you how to basically take them out. Well, I'm just going to show you how to take out one of them. So I crocheted it in from a braid and then I started wrapping. So I've had these in for about 2 months. And so I'm going to show you guys how to take these out. I had these in for about 2 months. And like I said, I crocheted it. I made braids all over my head, put the hair through the braid, had one strand down, the other strand I used to wrap it all the way down. And I will show you a picture here, right there, so you guys see how it looked before, and this is how it looks after. I kind of like it at this length, to be honest, but I didn't have it. It was kind of like here, and I'm just not brave enough to cut it down any shorter because I'm scared that I might cut my hair. So I am going to start to unravel it, and I'm going to show you how I take down one. At this point, I am now going to begin to comb out my fox locks, my faux locks, Marty lock, goddess locks, whatever you guys want to call it specifically. I'm combing out the lock itself, and I'm getting it open so I can pull apart the hair. It's going to be 2 sections. Now here, I could have cut it, but I did not feel like looking for my scissors. So if you do run into a knot, just go ahead and cut it. It'll make the process a lot faster. But if you're working with real hair, you definitely want to do this process. So I wanted to make sure that I'm showing you how to do it, even if it's fake or real. This is the process that you will use right here, and you actually would not use scissors to cut the knot unless you want to cut your hair, and I wouldn't cut my hair if I was combing out my dreads. So continue to watch. At this point, I have now separated the 2 pieces of hair that I used to wrap and to hold my hair with. And as you can see, I'm just unraveling it up to the top, and then I'll be able to pull out the piece that actually isn't covering my hair. Now I'm taking my Aussie Moisture leave-in conditioner and going ahead and spraying onto that part of my hair that's kind of like, a real dread, like my hair that has kind of locked up a little bit, and it collects dirt and dust. So right there, I wanted to go ahead and spray my leave-in conditioner to go ahead and loosen up that bunched up hair and to make sure that it got some moisture. Also, it will help you detangle that part specifically easier because liquid has now set into that hair part of your hair, which is kind of dreaded. So you're gonna have to kind of comb that out a little bit or pull it apart, and you want it to be easy to pull apart so that you don't pull your hair out or damage your hair during that process. So here you see me cutting out the rest of my hair, the rest of the faux locks that I have left. And this is my last one. Oh my gosh, you guys don't understand how relieved I was. It took me about 3.5 hours to do this. Because at first I was just combing it out, but then towards the end I just started to do what you see me doing here. And seriously, guys, this took a way longer than I expected. But I then went realized that I had a lot of braids in my hair, more than I actually thought that I did, which is okay because my hair was actually protected and I was able to go ahead and keep it healthy and hydrated. But wow, did it take a lot out of me to take this out. So now you see me spraying the rest of my hair with my Aussie Moisture just to make sure that everything else is getting attention as well and that everything is nice and moisturized. And now I'm just checking out my hair, just, just analyzing it, being that I haven't seen it in so long. Thank you all so much for tuning into this video today. I hope that you guys got some insight on how to take out faux locks, Marley locks, dreads, and more. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. As always, I love you all. Peace, love, tranquilities, and blessings. Make sure you share, like, comment down below, and subscribe. And don't forget to put on your satin bonnet cap. Other than that, good night, guys. Peace.